Welcome to camelbacktrading.org. This is our daily review for Wednesday, July 22nd, 2026. Using our proprietary Camelback market profile, let's dive into today's price action and look at what is ahead for the next session. If you want the complete written report, the full strategic plan for the next session, and all the specific key levels we are tracking, make sure to head over to our Substack publication right now to get the full plan. Also, become a member to get access to our proprietary market profile, now that we have a dedicated version for Tradeovate, along with our usual TradingView version. You will also get access to other tools like the MGI scorecard and access to period-by-period MGI data throughout the day. The prior session Wednesday was a low-tempo, low-volume day, suggesting the market is coiling for a future move. In ES, bulls maintained control, pushing value higher for a second straight day. The rotation factor was -4, indicating a moderate directional attempt lower in 30-minute auction periods that was ultimately contained. NQ, however, formed an inside day, establishing a 2-day balance, also with a rotation factor of -4, mirroring ES with a moderate attempt lower. Now, let's focus on the plan for the upcoming session, starting with ES. With its daily time frame having shifted to up and its value area progressing higher for 2 consecutive days, bulls clearly maintain control. For this bullish momentum to continue, price must achieve acceptance above the session's value area high. Should this occur, and given the current vacuum in price action until the next significant structural targets, traders should utilize IB extensions as their immediate objectives to gauge upward progression. Conversely, for bears seeking to challenge this bullish posture, they must drive price down and gain acceptance below the session's value area low. A successful push below this level would then target the session's low of day. It is critical to note that a break and acceptance below this low of day would effectively shift the daily time frame back into a state of balance, neutralizing the recent bullish progression. If the market opens inside Wednesday's value area, traders should anticipate indecisive and potentially choppy price action. In such a scenario, patience is paramount, and it is advisable to wait for clear market-generated information to confirm a sustained directional conviction before committing to a trade. Moving to NQ. Its current posture, marked by an inside day and a 2-day balance, suggests a market awaiting its next catalyst. For bulls to break out of this consolidation and resume upward momentum, they must secure acceptance above the session's value area high. Should this bullish scenario unfold, their primary target will be the daily balance high. Furthermore, if price opens above the value area high and subsequently pulls back into Wednesday's value area, bulls can find a strong leaning level at the prominent 9-wide point of control to defend and reestablish their upward trajectory. On the other side, bears aiming to resolve the 2-day balance to the downside must achieve acceptance below the session's value area low. A successful breach of this level would set their sights on the daily balance low as their next objective. Similarly, if price opens below the value area low and then attempts to rally back into Wednesday's value area, bears can lean on that 9-wide point of control to defend their newfound control and push price lower. Should the market open inside Wednesday's value area, the expectation is for price to rotate around this prominent 9-wide point of control, acting as a central gravitational point until a clearer directional bias emerges. In trading, the market's message is always in the data, not in our preconceived notions. The prior session, with its low tempo and distinct structural developments, serves as a reminder to remain patient and allow the market profile to guide our setups. Avoid the temptation to anticipate. Instead, react to what the market is actually doing, letting the unfolding auction confirm direction and opportunity. Remember, if you are going to buy an account with Tradeify, use code CB2724 and help us donate to St. Jude's Hospital, 20% this time. Be safe and trade well.